of people don't know this when it comes to stuff like this. Like, you see how you got this top, this upper piece, then you got this piece under here, then you got this piece. A lot of people consider this wall or ceilings. We consider this piece of wall, but this one here is flat and this one's shiny, so I'm gonna paint this one to blend in with that one. An easy way of telling what wall is a ceiling and what wall is a wall. If you can't hang a picture on it, it's considered a ceiling. So this, you can't hang a picture on it. But if you got a vaulted ceiling or something like that, that's also how we tell the difference between which walls are walls and which walls are, like, what goes with the ceilings, what goes with the walls. Because it say if you got a wall that comes up and it tapers up and then it goes up with it like that, we'll do the two sides with the ceiling, and then the wall itself will be the wall color. That's why you always see some, like, especially on the third floors, you'll have like walls so far up and then it'll taper off into the ceiling. It's because anything that you can't hang a picture on is considered a ceiling. I'll tell you what, this thing right here is light as heck. Oh yeah. Punch out. And it'll be flat now. We just put all this together. I think there's something wrong with the ceiling. Supposed to fix that. Don't know how, but yeah. But like I said, hit that subscribe button till I get 1,000 subscribers. I need to I need to get all the subscribers I can get, so just trying to remind everybody to hit that subscribe button for some more tips. Don't be afraid to hit that like button, and because it does tell me thanks and appreciate it. And leave a comment, tell me what you think. Love you.